the same song, Jehovah is your name, for an intermediate. You're playing it still on F sharp. Like for a bit an intermediate. So for intermediate, you can play this. Jehovah. This is one. Then you play this chord here. This is flat 7 as a major chord. But to play it with 5 of F sharp. So flat 7 is E. So I'm playing 1, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, B flat, and C sharp. J. Then I play B, E, F sharp, G sharp, and B. Then I play the same one. Then I play. I'm doing, but I'm playing with it like just playing the one. So then there's a passing chord here. This one. Okay, so what am I playing? I'm playing this. The passing chord here is going to 5. This I'm playing the G sharp major, the 2 major. I'm just playing the 2. Then I play the 3 with the. This I play chromatic. G sharp, G, then F sharp to F. So this side I'm playing. I'm playing G sharp. This is like a B flat major. This one B flat minor. Then again G sharp major. So G sharp, B flat minor, G sharp major. Then our 6, which is D sharp minor. This one is F sharp, definitely D sharp minor. So F sharp. This is like the number 6 of F sharp. Then we go to 5. So after playing, then you play your 5 like this. I'm playing F, C sharp, and D sharp. Then I'm playing F, G sharp, and C sharp. Sing this one. So after this side I'm just playing like 4. This I'm playing like this one 6, D sharp, B, and D sharp. This side I'm playing the same thing, F sharp, B, and F sharp. Then this one G sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. This side is F, C sharp, and F. Then I do going back to 1, just a melody. This one C sharp, D sharp, F, G sharp, back to 1. Then This one here, this is just like playing the 4 over 5. But I'm playing the 4 at 9. B, C sharp, D sharp, and C sharp, F sharp. Then this side is F, C sharp, and G sharp. So let me play it. Jehovah is your name. Then, sorry. Then you do this. Then the second part. You are mighty. So the second part. You are mighty. I'm playing the one, F sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. That is 1, 5, and 1. This side I'm playing. You are mighty. See, I'm playing the same thing, the flat 7, but I'm doing the grace note. Then again. So I'm just playing the flat 7. Then again I do this. I just play the 1, but I grace it. You are mighty. Then flat 2 to 2. Then 6. So which chords am I playing? You are mighty. 1, 3. Flat 7. Then I do this. Then you are mighty. Can add that one. That is B minor or minor 4. 6 to 6. What you can do?